I still maintain this getting underneath the scapula thing I would not do. I would challenge anybody to tell me why they want to go under the scapula.
Okay.
You've got subscapularis under there, but I can tell you, if you're massaging subscapularis in any major way, you've got their scapula off.
No, I'm not talking. I'm talking about like just getting into this.
But otherwise, if it's
this
rhomboids,
area,
there's no
rhomboids,
great need
yeah.
to get this in this position or anything like that.
But you can do this technique also.
Yeah,
lower.
absolutely. And you could, for example, work with thumb. So, for example, there, I can feel some tension. So I could pin there, and then she could lean her head forwards if you just do that for us, Nadej. Until you feel that tension coming through. How does that feel? Right spot? Good. So from there, little circles, nice and controlled. Happy with that.
So you can go.
And relax.
As long as you...
So what I'd get you to all do, we don't need to take clothes off this time, go into the seated position and experiment through those muscles. Have a go at upper trapezius and think to yourself, if it's this trap this side, they're going to have to stretch that way. If it's late scapulae, it's just slightly forward and that way. And if it's erect spinae, it's straight that way. So you think about how you stretch that muscle. Pin it, and the key with the pinning and the pressure is slowly in. You can apply plenty of pressure, but slowly in, not like this, because you'll terrify your client. So slow, decent pressure, and then get them to stretch. And they can modify the stretch, you know, by moving their head in this position. Sound good? All right. In that case,